KTH is a leading Scandinavian research centre and the largest technical university in Sweden. It conducts research and education in engineering and technology, collaborating with prominent partners worldwide, and is involved in a variety of key projects. In EXCELLERAT Phase 2, KTH was responsible for the development of the Neko code and the execution of a related use case. Neko is a high-fidelity CFD solver characterized by exceptional parallel performance and support for a wide variety of hardware. Based on the spectral element method, it is an excellent tool for studying turbulence and advection-dominated flows. In EXCELLERAT Phase 2, it is used to simulate the flow characteristics and generated noise around the Iowa drone rotor. This is important due to the rapid development of the unmanned aerial vehicle market.